Dzień dobry, good evening everybody. Wszystkiego najlepszego w nowym roku. Happy New Year actually. So now I am in the area of the Plac Wolności, where the center of the Christmas market. And then what I see here for today is not as busy as what I expected. I don't know what happened. It's just like not as busy as the previous days, not as busy as Christmas. So yeah, let's see how it is during the New Year's Eve here in Poznan, Poland. So I'm in the Plac Wolności, and this is how it looks actually during the evening before the final countdown. And the situation is just like this. It's not as busy as, you know, like what I expected before. And I wish you have you know, very nice New Year's Eve wherever you are. And this is how it looks in the Plac Wolności, and I think that this one is the center for the pictures, you know, like I told you before, it's not as busy as what I expected, overcrowded or something like that. No, it's simply maybe just because of it's just opening, but yeah, the vibe, the Christmas vibe still here. And you know, there are so many stalls selling the food, Christmas food, mulled wine over there, and that the Ferris wheel, and that's the Christmas attraction. And yeah, I'll take you to stroll around to show you how it looks. So today is actually the New Year's Eve. The center for the fireworks is actually in the Poznan Targi, but yes, I'm gonna take you to stroll around again. For those of you maybe who's you know, miss the video during the beginning of the Christmas, and here it is the situation. And I think that in many people from Poznan, you know, during New Year's Eve they are going out, but yeah, still the Christmas vibe, New Year's vibe, you know. This is the food, the kielbasa, bread. I think they just opened or something like that, but yeah. So let's see, there's so many nice gingerbread here. Yeah, and this one kielbasa, and yeah, so many nice things. That's the chocolate, fruit chocolate, and this one candles. Yeah, you see, it's really not like as packed and overcrowded like last time. So here is the accessories, and still the Christmas things. That's the sweet, and yeah, this is how it looks. That's okay. Oh my god. And yes, I keep walking and walking to show you how it looks. I'm not sure that whether the fireworks gonna be here, but yes, this one is the center for the Christmas market. There's so many nice accessories like this. Yeah, mulled wine house, you see, just like this. Even some of the shops is already closed, but yeah, this is how it looks. The attraction basically. So I keep walking and walking and showing you how it looks. The New Year's Eve actually, and it's literally now about 5:30 p.m. and this is how it looks. It's already dark. Situation during the New Year's Eve in Poznan. And yes, what I see is that many people, I think that many Poznanian actually, they are out of the cities, and even our friends, they are having a, you know, New Year, Christmas holidays in Egypt, or going to the, you know, warmer country, obviously. So yeah, I'm just gonna say Happy New Year for you. to everybody who's still watching us until now. You know, 2024 was not easier for us. So many changes, so many learning, so many, you know, in a blink of eyes, something like that. I feel like my life has changed from a tropical country to the, you know, one of the European countries. Here we decided to move and live in Poland. It's not as easy as it looks, but yeah, slowly, you know, we are learning to adapt with our brand new life in Europe. And we just would like to say huge thanks for all of you, you know, who's still watching us. I think 5 years or 4 years that we are making YouTube, and you still watching us, and it's really appreciated. And we wish you all a prosperous year ahead, and yeah, still watching us. So in 2025 we've got so many resolutions, so many hopes, so many wishes that we would like to do actually. And then hopefully, you know, everything is going well based on what we have been planning so far. And yes, we will work hard more. And currently I have a massage business, and Damiano still going on, you know, on his transport business. So yeah, we wish next year will much better than this. Going to the starting actually over there, the old market square, and really it's just simply, it's not as overcrowded as the previous days. And yeah, let's see how it looks. Unfortunately today Damian has to work because he has a trip somewhere outside of Poznan, so I think that he will be back later on during the final countdown. But let's see how it looks in Stary Rynek. Very nice light. And yeah, this is how actually the Stary Rynek, the market square situation during the New Year's night, New Year's Eve. And even some of the attraction there, Carousel is actually closed, and some of the yarmark, some of the shops also, I don't know, maybe it's not open yet, but let's see how it looks. Yes, one thing that probably that's busy is just like this one, the ice skating attractions. Yeah, quite many people are coming to have a ice skating. Yes. So mostly that people coming for the ice skating. And now I am in front of the Ratus, and actually in front of the Ratus is a very nice Christmas tree. And yeah, this is how it looks. It's very nice. Many people you know, taking the pictures. Oh, that's so sweet. And yeah, basically this is how it looks. The the New Year's Eve in Poznan. So we wish you a prosperous year ahead in 2025. Lots of love, lots of success, and lots of healthy, and whatever your dreams, guys, we wish that everything is coming true. Right, so I think that's all my video today. Quite short video. Thanks for watching and see you next year in 2025. Bye. Now I am in the Market Street. Well, actually during a New Year's Eve, it's actually now 7 p.m. and this is how it looks. The road situation, it's totally different vibe. No traffic jam. It's, you know, normally like simply rush hour, but today during New Year's Eve I go to the left and